Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Annette with Sunbeam Fabric Art. Today I am redoing a zipper, and this zipper is on a project that I made a long time ago when I really didn't know what I was doing. I saw something online and thought I would try to copy it, and I made myself a little sewing case for hand sewing of hexagons. So I was recently away from home, so I thought, well, I'll take this with me as a project I can do without my sewing machine. So I was gone for 10 days and I almost got it completely done in that time, but I did have to finish up the last little bit at home. So come along and I'll show you what I did. First, let me say that I absolutely love my little bag. I love the fabrics I chose. The only thing I hate is the zipper. I used some kind of parka zipper and that was a bad choice. And I didn't line it up correctly. And here's a little tour of the inside of my bag. I've got some hexagons that I cut out of cardstock. I've got a little zipper pouch, and I used a pencil bag at the dollar store to make that zipper pouch. I've got my needles, my thread. I've got my little bitty scissors that are okay to get through security at the airport. And of course I have hexagons of fabric already cut out, and I've got some squares of fabric as well that need to be cut down to hexagons. My replacement zipper is just a basic nylon zipper that has 2 zipper pulls, and I'm going to string it all the way around and replace that black parka zipper. And wouldn't you know, I did not bring my seam ripper. I resorted to using my itty bitty scissors, pulling apart to try and catch a thread and cut it and get this seam ripping part started. It took a lot longer than it should have. If I had had a seam ripper, it would have went very quickly. And honestly, rebuilding the bag from scratch would have been easy too, in comparison to what I have done here. But I love this bag. I like the way it turned out. I didn't want to change a thing except for the zipper. And here you can see I'm almost finished, just digging out the last little bit of that zipper base. So initially when I started stitching the zipper back into the casing, I was doing small stitches as if it was the finished project. Now, in a subsequent session, I moved indoors and I thought I might try a glue stick. That glue stick was a fail. It did not work. It did not help me. It just made my fingers really sticky. So that is when I got the idea to just do a basting stitch, very large stitches about 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart, and get the zipper in place. Then I went all the way back around where I had basted and did the smaller stitches to finish it. And some parts of this zipper really gave me fits, as you can see here. Now here I am back at my house, and I am finishing the last little bit of this stitching. And just a disclaimer, my stitches are messy, my stitches are not cute, not fine, not neat. I just wanted to get this new zipper in as quickly and most efficiently as possible. So it's not very pretty, but I got the job done. Now it's time to put all my items back in my bag and get ready to do some more fun hexagon sewing. It's a great little, very portable little kit. It squashes up small and can fit just about anywhere I want to take it. Thanks so much for joining me today as I took out a zipper and replaced it with a new zipper. I hope you had fun. I sure did, and I hope to see you again soon.